Hey guys, welcome. Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, I'll be talking about one of the cool trick or a cool application for all the iPhone users. So guys, this application will surely help you out in zooming your camera 4 times more than your actual camera does. Yes guys, here is the trick which will zoom your camera 4 times more than your actual camera. The app name is Mobile Master, and here there are multiple features available, but for now just talk about a magnifier. Now if you open a magnifier and try to zoom the magnifier, it will zoom 4 times more than your actual camera does. So guys, for that let's try actually zooming your magnifier and let's see how far it zooms.